Hello everyone, welcome to Vera's show. Today I bring you an interesting topic. Whether your house can reduce our electric bill? Maybe you said yes. You said my house have some solar panels on rooftop. No, it's too monotonous. Here we can say a cool solar panels house. Dark black design, concealed efficient atmosphere, rain-print appearance, elegant texture, structure integrated design, strong and convenient installation. The most important thing is that it is as easy to install as traditional tiles, and it can also power our house. Isn't it delicious for us to have barbecue for the remaining electricity bill? Yes. Facing the global energy crisis, reducing the use of fossil energy and responding to the call of carbon neutral. Start from my home.